Riders, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you basically the Pan America, the 1250. This is going to be the special one. The only thing that's going to be missing is going to be the spoke wheels, but what I'm going to be showing you is going to be just how the controls works. I'm going to go ahead and just turn the ignition on here so we can go ahead and have the TFT display. For the 2022 Pan America, the only thing that changed was the colors on the motorcycle, as well as the TFT display was made brighter. Other than that, it's going to be basically the same. So you're going to have on your left side, you're going to have what cycles through your TFT display. Then we're going to have your cruise control. You're going to have your heated grips here. You're going to have what you're able to cycle the information down here. Over here, it's going to look like a wheel. Then you have your high beam, your flash, and your passing. You're also going to have your horn, your turning signals. When we go to the right, you're going to have the mode. That's what's going to be what's going to change your riding modes over here. You also have the ability to do your hazards, obviously cycle your engine, and go ahead and your music and your Bluetooth is going to be over here. If you wanted to do something through the Bluetooth connectivity, you're going to go ahead and do it down here. And then you have your traction control. So going to the TFT display, so we're going to have all the information that you're going to need here. If you go through the wheel here, you're going to see that you're going to be able to change the information at the bottom. So it's going to show you the odometer, it's going to show you the outside temperature, it's going to show you as well the range, trip A, trip B, and it goes back to the odometer. Let's say you want to have a little bit more information regarding your motorcycle. You're going to go through your tiles. It's going to go to your Bluetooth, your music. I'm not going to go into those because honestly I don't have anything connected, so nothing is going to show. Same thing for the music, but let's go ahead and go to the motorcycle. Once we go to the motorcycle, it's going to show you your front and rear tire air pressure, your temperature of the engine, and how many volts you have. If you want to run diagnostics, you go ahead and press over here in the middle, and it's going to go ahead and run diagnostics. We're going to go back now to the other settings, and here's where you do basically most of your settings. So if you go to general, you're able to do your trip reset, adjust your date, adjust your Harley Davidson app, your clock format, how many units, and display your languages. Let's say you're good with that, you could do ride customization, riding modes. Harley Davidson, the Pan America comes with 8 riding modes, so you're able to select between your rain, road, and sport. You have off-road, off-road plus, and then you have the ability to do custom settings according to what you want to do. So then we go to the whole control. For 2022, they changed the hill assist from 3 to 5 seconds all the way up to 3 minutes. So that would be great if you're doing some off-road riding. Then you have your bank lamp. That's basically when you're going left and right. That's what illuminates the side of the road. The appearance is going to be how bright do you want your screen, and over here it gives you the ability to customize the way you have your dash looking. So if you can see, it gives you the dash to the right, and if you want, you could do widget or you could do simple, which basically just shows you your mileage. But if you want to see all the information that we have currently on ours, and it shows you absolutely everything, that's how you will leave it. So as you can see, this is going to be a very simple display, very simple to use. However, it's going to be very informative. So guys, if you enjoy this type of content, just give it a thumbs up so the algorithm knows it's good, and I will see you guys on my next video.